In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Infinite Painter app on Android. First, let's start by opening the Google Play Store. You can find this app on your device's main screen. It usually looks like a colorful triangle icon. This step is crucial because the Google Play Store is where you will find and download all your favorite apps. Once you tap on the icon, the store will load, displaying various apps and games, making it easy to explore. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This bar is typically labeled with "Search for apps and games." It's important to use the search function because it allows you to quickly locate the Infinite Painter app rather than scrolling through endless lists. When you tap the search bar, your keyboard will pop up, ready for you to type. The search bar is your gateway to finding specific applications effortlessly. Now, type Infinite Painter into the search bar. Make sure to spell it correctly to ensure accurate results. As you type, you may see suggestions appear below. This feature helps you find what you are looking for faster. Once you finish typing, take a moment to check that everything looks right before moving on. This attention to detail is important to avoid confusion later. From there, select Infinite Painter by Infinite Studio LLC from the search results. This step matters because there may be other apps with similar names. By selecting the correct one, you ensure you're downloading the right application. The app icon typically features some artistic elements, which makes it easy to identify. Once you tap it, you will be directed to the app's main page, where you can see more details about the app. Next, tap the Install button. This button is usually green and prominently displayed. By tapping it, you initiate the download process. A progress bar will appear, indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This visual feedback is reassuring as you can track your installation. It's a simple action, but it plays a vital role in getting Infinite Painter onto your device. Now wait for the installation to complete. The duration of this step can vary depending on your internet speed. You might see a message that says "installing" followed by a percentage. It's perfectly normal to feel eager. Just give it a moment. Once it's done, you will receive a notification confirming that the app is installed. This confirmation means you're just moments away from diving into your new app. At this point, tap the Open button. This button usually appears right after the app is installed. By tapping it, you will launch Infinite Painter for the first time, and this is where the fun begins. You will immediately see the app's main interface, which is designed for creativity and ease of use. It feels rewarding to see your hard work pay off as you explore. Finally, you can start drawing or sign in if you want to sync your work. Signing in allows you to save your projects across devices, which is a fantastic feature for artists on the go. The free version is available to get you started, and you can unlock pro features later if you choose. This flexibility makes Infinite Painter an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users. With those steps completed, you're ready to unleash your creativity with Infinite Painter. Enjoy your drawing journey.